Hey, salon owners and wholesale buyers! Struggling to find hair toppers that actually look real and stay put? Let me introduce you to the Katy-HD Lace Hairline Topper. It comes with the following 3 selling points: 100% virgin human hair, hand-tied onto ultra-thin HD Swiss lace, creates an ultra-realistic scalp effect for seamless blending. Silicone panels and halo wire ensure all-day stability. No slipping, no shifting. Lightweight airflow keeps clients comfortable, even during intense activities or hot days. Here's the deal: 1.5 inches by 11 inches, and every shade from natural black to caramel balayage. And how to use it? 1. Place the hair topper. Carefully position the hair topper on the head, aligning the front hairline with the natural hairline. 2. Adjust the plastic string. Locate the adjustable halo wire. Pull the string to tighten or loosen the hair topper for a comfortable and snug fit. That's it. You can give your clients a quick, simple hair volume for the hairline by using Katy-HD Lace Hairline Topper. Stock these now and watch your clients beg for restocks.